Alright guys, want to add a Google account on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to do it properly. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and your account will be added without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.